Hi, I'm Peter Mackenzie, and this is my Airsoft turret project. I got interested in Raspberry Pis and turned a couple of servos into a face-tracking turret using OpenCV. I liked it, so I decided to scale it up to a real airsoft gun. To make that happen, I bought a 3D printer and started experimenting with strong, precise motor systems. My first design used a planetary drive, originally designed by Aid Musa, powered by a large drone motor. It was extremely strong, but it had too much backlash and jerkiness, even after a lot of tuning. So I switched to a harmonic drive, which is known for almost zero backlash. I also built a trigger mechanism using a 16 kilogram servo and mounted a Raspberry Pi camera so you could see exactly where the red dot was pointing from your laptop screen. Meanwhile, I was building the frame. Version 1 of the turret was way overkill. It was welded from 3/16 inch steel, used a 2-inch solid steel axle with industrial bearings, and weighed over 50 pounds. I mounted it to a Lazy Susan for yaw control and finally had a working prototype. Unfortunately, it turned out to be a giant creaking, jerking behemoth. It couldn't achieve better than 20 degrees of accuracy, even after $2,500 and a lot of work. But that didn't stop me. I started over, this time using cheaper components stepper motors, drivers, stainless steel axles, and small bearings, and redesigned everything from the ground up with 3D printed parts. Airsoft guns have essentially no recoil, so this lighter design made much more sense. Version 2 only cost me about $300 to build. Including the Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and servo, the whole project could be replicated for around $500. Here's the final version. Yep, it runs on DeWalt power tool batteries. The web interface is hosted on the Raspberry Pi with Flask, and it connects to my laptop over the internet. Who wants to manually aim at their friends? Using OpenCV and some simple trigonometry, the turret automatically tracks and aims at whatever target you select on the screen. I learned a huge amount, and I'm incredibly grateful to my sponsors, my brother, Andrew Mackenzie, Alex Weiss Perlman, and Tyler Killian, for helping make this project possible.